Well, here she is. Just got done welding my bracket on the frame. Bolts right to that hanger. I was thinking about doing another one up through there. I don't know. Flows pretty good. Still gotta clean this up. Got the pipe outlet, muffler outlet pointed outwards. Had to put a 1/4-inch bolt on that side. So I tested it yesterday without the hanger and it stripped. It pulled the stud out. But this is the factory header that comes with this pipe. I just trimmed it a little bit, a couple washers. I used a spacer on that side because that bolt was a little too long. But took off a U-bend. The U-bend had a little internal pipe in it. It was kind of pointless to have it in there. Good thing I cut that off, but there it is. I'll get a run video after I get it jetted correctly. Thanks for watching. Later.